been about 2 minutes. We'll check the water. It's got a little bubble going. Not much though. I'm going to cap it back off and keep it going. It's the first time I've ever boiled water on my MSR Whisperlite International. Good little stove. Very good stove. Just going to see how long it takes to boil the water. They say it's supposed to be about 3 minutes. It's going on about 2.5, 3. We're about right there. About right there. I'm going to crank the heat up just a little bit. Let's see how. Oh yeah, look at that. It's bubbling. Oh, I can hear that lid. Been filming for about a minute now. And about 3 minutes so far that it's been going. I'm just going to let it sit and see how long it takes. Had to put up that windshield. The wind gusted up a little bit. We'll probably take it off. It's pretty warm. Bunch of steam. We're almost there at a boil. So about 4 minutes. And we're boiling water. So that's it. Alright.